Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this yummy and most healthiest drink in the whole wide world. Yeah, you heard me right. Soya milk. Very healthy, nutritional, and I'll be making it with these soya beans. So the first thing I will do is to soak it with a lot of water overnight because soya bean has a lot of acid in it, so you have to put a lot of water in it, then cover it and allow it to sit overnight. Then I will also be soaking my dates. This is optional. You can sweeten yours with sugar or any sweetener of your choice, but I love to sweeten mine with dates, and this is dry dates, so I'll be soaking it overnight as well so that it will blend very well with the soya bean. Then in the morning, I will wash the soya bean like 3 times with a clean water before I will proceed to blending it. After washing it, then I will be adding it into my blender just like so. Add the amount your blender could blend at a go. Then I will add the dates with the water. Then I will cover the blender and blend. Don't go anywhere because I'll still be adding another ingredients to this, which will take this soya milk in another level. So after blending, I will pour it inside a chiffon cloth or a cheesecloth, just like so. I put this cheesecloth inside the big bowl. Then I will be adding ginger, a lot of ginger. I love my soya milk to be spicy. You can skip it if you don't like it, but I love it because ginger is also very nutritional, anti-inflammatory, and it has a lot of health benefits. I will add more water to this and I will blend and pour it inside the other one I blended earlier. Add more water to this till it is light. Then I will sieve it just like so. This is the easiest way to sieve it. You just press out the milk from the soya milk or soya bean you blended earlier, just like so. But if you don't want the stress of pressing out the milk, you can put it in a cheese bag or a chiffon bag and tie it very well and use some of your kitchen utensil and put on top of it as a weight till the next day or till the water has been drained out. And here is the chaff from it, and here is my soya milk. I will stir it, and I also love to take out the foams from it, so I'll be taking out the foams. I will stir it again and take out the foams, but you can skip this process, but I don't like the foam. I don't know why. So I've putting it on top of my stove or my electric cooker. So I'm stirring it. Once in a while I stir it, once in a while I stir it so that it doesn't burn, because if it burns it will affect the taste. Then I'll be adding some vanilla also to enhance the flavor and to take out the smell of the soya bean. I will keep stirring this for at least 45 to 50 minutes on a low heat so that it doesn't burn. Then after that, I will take it out from the heat, allow it to cool down a bit. Then I will start storing it. I will put it in my glass bottle and store this in the fridge for at least 5 days. But if you want to store this almost a month, don't put it in your glass bottle, put it in a plastic bottle and put in your freezer. Take it out overnight and put in the fridge, then and drink the following day. But if you know that you consume it within 5 days, no need to put it in your freezer. Just store in your fridge, your refrigerator, just like I did. So after that, your soya milk is as good as ready. You can drink it like this. You can drink it with maybe cereal. If you are milk allergy or if you are lactose intolerant, just like me and my family, we are lactose intolerant. We don't take milk any longer in this house except lactose free milk. So because I couldn't wait for it to cool down, I will be adding some ice to make it to chill down. Then I will enjoy this drink. Very healthy, very nutritional, very yummy, tasty, and demore drink. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye. See you in my next video.